Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And today I'm going to go ahead and get the oil changed on my 97 stand. Alright, here's the 97. I'm going to go ahead and get the oil changed on it. Get it ready for next week. I think I'm going to wind up putting it on the 1st of May. Because of the weather just is not cooperating. Get that. It's all nice and carpeted down here. Oil on my carpet if I can help it. There's a little bit of water coming out of that. That's all. Or just condensation. Hey, antifreeze or condensation, one of the two. Righty. This one sits up really nice because I got 18-inch rims. Actually, you could call them bullet rims, huh? 18-inch bullet rims. The only way to, and because they are 18-inch, they're the newer style. They came off of a brand new 2005 GT, and of course putting them on a 97, you've got to adapt them because they're called deep dish, so you have to get spacers. The rear I have a 2-inch wide spacer, and then the front I have a 1-inch, so 2-inch pull those rears out just below the, or just within the fender, under the fender width. So if you had to hit a real heavy bump, it would still miss the side of the wheel. And the front, you need a 1-inch because if you just stuck those on there like they are, it would lock down on your caliper. So you've got to make sure you expand it just the way it should be. So if you're looking to get new tires on it, you're definitely gonna have to put spacers on it. Now do the filter next. I put a little bit of new oil in there to push the oil out of the pan. This time around I'm going with the Quaker State Advanced Durability Oil. It's not a It's not a mix of synthetic multi. This is what I normally put in. This is the Ford multi oil, but decided to go with the advanced this time around. The filter for the 3.8 in this is the 400S Ford. Fortunately, I don't know how many miles are now on this motor, because I took it out of this and I put it in the wife's 95 for about 2 years. She drove it, but it really was just driven. Might have got 3 oil changes on it over its time in that vehicle, maybe, but we brought it back in because the frame rotted out. I put it back in this one. I thought I was going to put a 4.6 in this, but I found out I was going to have a lot of hassle trying to because of the harnesses and stuff. So I decided not to, and I just let it set. So I put the motor in it. Last year, we can find that motor change videos under Project Stang as well. Good job this time. No real oil spills. Get my O-rings wet. Double check. Make sure you don't have. Make sure the O-ring came with the old filter. New one on. Why I tell you that is because it happened to me in the professional world. Thank God the dealership had a really long driveway, because by the time it got to the end of the driveway, the engine light came on. Actually, the oil light came on. Shut down, put it back to the garage. If it'd been on the road, it'd been a whole different scenario. But things happen, you know. Alright, oil changed. Oil changed. What is that? Alright, these tight. Old pant. Old pants still got oil in bars, huh? Look at this. That ain't cool. Alright, let's care of that. Unfortunately, the oil is cold. I bought what's called a car bomb, and I think I'm gonna set that off in there. I'm supposed to get rid of the smell, give it another car smell. There's the fact this thing sat for almost two and a half years before I put the motor back in it. The interior got a bad smell, mildew and stuff of that nature. So I'm gonna set that bomb. Off in there while I'm thinking about it today. Cost about $6. Might make it smell a lot better than mouse. So you see, oil has now been changed. Alright, let's get it on my board. Got 119,000 miles on the body. And that's all the motor had on it before I put it back in her car, so I'm figuring it's probably got about 100, maybe 126,000 on the motor, on this motor here. And being a 97, you know, you're already 16 years old. Okay, and I also make it a habit. It's got grease fittings. Grease them. It doesn't have a ball joint on this side, doesn't have a fitting, it hasn't been changed. Tire on! Boys, is that cold? We're ready. Care of this bad boy. I'm putting it up. Like I said, this is the 20th of April. It's still snowy and cold. And there's still salt on the road because they just dumped it Monday or Tuesday. So, figure it's going to be First of May. Get around to getting it registered. The Chevy Malibu to come back to me Monday or Tuesday. and that's still registered. The registration on the Escape is done the first of the month, or end of this month. So I'll turn those plates back in, and I'll take the plates off the Malibu, and then get them put on my Stang. Hers, we're going to take the plates off the Explorer, but we decided we're going to go ahead and keep the Explorer on the road for a while, and then we'll put this on 1st of May as well, but it'll have to have new plates put on it. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. We'll catch you on the next Project Stang.